Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to cash out on Kalshi. First, open Kalshi and log into your account. Make sure all the trades you have invested in are settled if you want to withdraw that money. Only settled trades can be cashed out. Once your trades have ended, the funds will appear in your cash balance. After you have money in your cash balance, click on the three lines at the top of the screen. From the menu, select Transfers. The withdrawal options will appear in this window. The transfer options are the same as the options you can use to deposit to Kalshi. You can choose to withdraw using a debit card, a bank transfer, wire transfer, or crypto. Select the option that works best for you. After selecting your method, enter the amount you want to withdraw. Double-check the details to make sure everything is correct. Once you confirm, your withdrawal request will be processed. The time it takes for the money to arrive depends on the method you chose. Bank transfers usually take a few business days. Debit card withdrawals are often faster, sometimes within an hour. Wire transfers and crypto withdrawals may take different amounts of time depending on the service. Thanks for watching.